Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a rainy night tonight. Tonight's going to be one of those good nights for sleeping type weather, unless you have a dog that doesn't like the rain. That's this guy. But as we move through the rest of the week into the second week of the new year, we have some regularity with these wet weather systems. So let's bring it over to the key wall and talk about this. You can see tonight's spike, gray spike are the nighttime rain chances. White spikes are the daytime rain chances. And we're pegged at 100% for tonight in the 90% range on Friday. And as we go with time, a little bit less certainty, but about a 70–80% chance of rain a week from yesterday. And then there's another wet weather system as we move toward the end of next week. So an active weather pattern. Here's storm system number one. This is pushing on through. And then we have another whopper back here to the west that's probably going to give us a better chance of us soaking a bigger winter storm for portions of the U.S. as well. Meanwhile, it's been a pretty nice day across the area, but we already see the rain busting out across Texas as we dial into the regional Doppler radar. Some locally nice downpours from the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex on down I-35 down through just about, we'll say, the Hondo area, San Antonio area. This is all going to be pushing eastward. We're already bird dogging a few light sprinkles out in the Gulf of Mexico, but best rain chances will come after midnight tonight. Most of us will be asleep, except the weather people. We'll be looking at the radar and watching the rain come on through, but we're not expecting severe weather, but the rains are going to be moderate, occasionally heavy. There might be a rumble of thunder, but the bigger, badder storms are going to be out in the Gulf of Mexico as this area of low pressure pushes to the east. Rains taper tomorrow morning, and then maybe a little sun tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be breezy and cool, though. Temperatures in the 50s for tomorrow, and then tomorrow night we could head down into the low to mid 30s, so a little bit of a winter chill in the air. High pressure dominating through Thursday. Thursday looks to be a very nice day, and here comes the next wet weather system queuing up as we head into Friday. That's going to be pushing eastward, and there's going to be more rain with this system and maybe some embedded thunder down the line, and this one's going to have a pressure gradient, so it's going to be a blustery weather system, an active weather pattern as we go through January. As for rainfall, most of us see about an inch of rain. Some folks, especially to the north, will see less, and down to the south might see an inch, inch and a half. This is the graph model output. We compare and contrast that with another model for consistency, and the HER model in the same category, about an inch or a little bit more. I-10 parishes on southward could see a few spots that approach an inch and a half, and in El Nino winters, I wouldn't be surprised if somebody catches 2 or 2.5 inches in isolated spots, but not expecting flooding nor any severe weather overnight tonight. So breezy and cool, rainy night ahead with 1 inch of rain expected, give or take a half inch. Good sleeping weather overall. 43 the overnight low, breezy east-southeast winds turning northeasterly. Then for tomorrow, showers then first thing in the morning. We have pretty high rain chances, but limited to the morning. Breezy and chilly, some afternoon, some possible. Temperatures topping out in the middle 50s. And then tomorrow night, as mentioned, heading for the low to mid 30s. Thursday, a good looking day. 1 to 2 inches likely on Friday, probably more in spots, maybe some thunder embedded here. And then the next weather system, we have a good looking weekend. Next weather system on Monday, another 1 to 2 possible, and maybe a severe weather element. And then toward the end of next week, another round of rain and storms that could have a severe weather element as well. And in between, a light freeze, but no super cold air in the forecast, but temperatures near or slightly below normal for the bulk of the next 10 days. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.